Walang bumabalik na buyer. Are you spending money to attract new customers when your real problem is keeping the ones that you have? Nangyari na ba sa inyo ito? Etong couple, let's call them Lani and Boyet. They have a poultry egg production business. They supply to stores, restaurants, and small retailers. Okay naman ang sales pero hindi lumalaki. So, nisip nila, kailangan namin ng mas maraming buyers. So, they started marketing to new areas, new stores, new restaurants, and they even offered introductory prices. Pumasok naman yung mga bagong buyers, pero after a few months, huminto na sa pag-order itong mga buyers na bago. So, sabi ng couple, yung economy may problema. Yung aming competition. And they thought they just needed to find better customers. But did you know what the real problem was? It was actually product consistencies. Merong mga batches na eggs na excellent. Some were not. Yung sizes, iba-iba. Yung freshness, iba-iba rin. Sometimes, deliveries were late. And old customers quietly stopped ordering. New customers tried once and then they disappeared. And marketing kept bringing people to the front door. But the product experience pushed them out the back door just as fast. Yung pala, yung problema nila was not attracting buyers. It was keeping them. Meron silang leaky bucket of inconsistent quality. Ibig sabihin nun, kahit na anong marketing campaign, hindi pa rin siya kaya. Kasi lumulusot lang eh. Anak, what this teaches us is simple. If customers don't come back, the problem is not that you need more customers. The problem is, why are they leaving? Kaya, fix the customer experience first ha, tapos marketing. Because that is the only time that marketing can actually work. Remember, let's all be business-minded, Pinoy.